everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about turning off a feature inside your camera, which is called Pictures as Previewed. Now, originally out of the box, this one is turned on, and basically all it's talking about is saving selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. But there is one issue when it comes to flipping this photo or not flipping the photo. First off, let me show you what it looks like when you already have the phone stock. So right now I'm wearing a Samsung shirt and you can see the word Samsung. I'm gonna take a picture. And once we took that photo, now I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So you can see the word Samsung, it's spelled backwards. To me, it's a little distracting personally. And sometimes I just laugh when people take selfies and I'm like, why do you have everything in reverse? So one of the things that I do suggest, which is also the topic of this video, is just go inside of your camera settings, go to the very bottom and turn off Pictures as Previewed, and here is why. Now I'm going to do a very similar photo. Took the picture and let's see now what it looks like. Let me know which one you feel that you like just a little bit more. Now you can see that the word Samsung is spelled out and it's not as distracting as this. So I think my face here says it. It's pretty crazy, pretty weird. Don't know what's going on. Why is this flipped? And this one is just me like being, hey, I'm goofy. Other than that, I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up. You can also hit on subscribe right over here at the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, make sure you check out this video right over here for more Samsung tips in 2 minutes or less. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul, I'm a